hello, and thanks for tuning in. It's November 22nd, and I think this box is what I think it is. In fact, my wife checked the mail today and said, "Oh, it looks like a watch box," and she rolled her eyes, and I think it's probably the first one that I ordered from the 11/11 sale from AliExpress for 2023. So let's crack it open and see if she's right. And you don't want to see my address label. Oh, this knife is dull. Okay. Yep, we have a watch box. Big surprise. Okay. It's funny how, like, you do this a few times and you know what's coming in the mail, and no matter, even if you're expecting it, you still get excited that, oh, it's a new watch. Okay, let's find the seam to the box. Aha, on top. Yep, there's that familiar blue box. And there's that familiar logo. Aha, now, I was really excited when I ordered this because of the price that I got it for the sale. And it was funny. A lot of people asked on the Facebook group for Pagani Design, what movement does it have? And when I said, well, the listing suggests it's a pearl, they said, a lot of people said, oh, good luck with that. I've heard a lot of bad things about it, so on and so forth. And one person even got very, very hostile when I, confronted him to comment on his statement. And which is a shame. I guess that's the ugly head of watch snobbery rearing itself. So this is a sub homage with the date, GMT. Let's move that. Yeah, not bad at all. Screw down crown guards, 40 millimeter case diameter, 20 mil lug width. It's got the Jubilee bracelet. It's got a display case back. And look at that. It's even started to move, and I think I'm going to wear this today. I'm going to have to probably take off some links because I have a 7-inch wrist, and these are classically large for my wrist out of the box, and I don't like wearing a loose that's tight with gloves. Let's just crack this open. Yes, I know a few people will say, don't do that, it'll scratch the clasp. Well, I honestly don't care. I buy my watches to wear, and wear and tear kind of gives them a little bit of a character. I don't expect to keep them pristine. That wasn't actually very tight, surprisingly, and yeah, so that's the way it looks. I've got a 7-inch wrist, and I think I'm probably going to take off 2 links to keep it not super loose, but not super tight either. And yeah, I think, as a testament, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to, well, I'm not sure what happened at the end of that last clip, but I think something happened with my phone where the video I was shooting cut short. And what I was saying is, as a testament to all the trolls and haters out there about the pearl movement, just for pure experimentation on my part, I'm going to wear this for 6 months. I'm going to wear this every day for 6 months. It's going to suck that the rest of the watches in my collection are going to get a little bit of neglect, but fortunately they're inanimate objects and incapable of feeling any emotion, so hey, what the hell. So 23rd of November, so it's the next day, I removed 2 full links. So the Jubilee bracelet, as you can see, has these half links. So I removed 4 of them, which would be 2 full lengths, and we've got a little bit of play. It's not too snug, but it's not too loose either. And yeah, let's see where it goes. I'm going to be posting daily updates on my Instagram as far as, Dave. So far, I've posted today day 2 with the watch, as well as a time graph, which I will post as a clip in this video right now, as well as the description card from the seller from the AliExpress sale that I bought it from, so you can scrutinize the dimensions and all the information. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to submit them below, and I'll be happy to address each one of them. Thanks again for tuning in, and I look forward to sharing some more content with you in the near future. Have yourselves a great day.